Hey, I'm Lynette, your go-to content strategist, and today we're getting into something that's super common but rarely talked about. What do you do when your most active posting times are the same as your competitors? Should you change it, stick with it, or just close your eyes and post anyway? Let's break it down like we're chatting over coffee. So first, let's be real. We all love finding that perfect time to post, right? But here's the truth. Posting at the right time doesn't matter if your content isn't right. You could post at 6 p.m. sharp with everyone else, but if you're just blending in, then you're just background noise. Now, let's talk about when your competitor has the same peak time as you. Here's the thing. If they're active at 8 p.m. and your audience is 2, that's a win. That means your people are online. But it also means you need a bit more strategy to stand out. Tip number 1. Post earlier, like 15 to 30 minutes before the crowd. Think of it like arriving at the party just before it gets packed. Your post gets to warm up, collect engagement, and stay at the top of people's feeds when the scroll rush begins. Tip 2. Test shoulder times. Try 5:30 p.m. if the peak is 6 or 7:15 if the peak is 7. You're catching attention during the wind up or cool down, which often leads to less competition. Tip number 3. Track your engagement, not just online activity. Check your own insights. Sometimes people are online at 8 p.m. but actually comment and share more around 9:30. That's your sweet spot. Tip 4. Make your content more scroll stopping. Even if you post at the same time as others, your caption, visual, and relatability can be what pulls them in. Don't focus on the clock. Focus on connection. So, if you've been stressing about clashing schedules with your competitors, don't. You've got options. Test your times and watch your audience. And remember, it's not just about when you show up. It's about how you show up. That's all for today. Keep showing up smart, not just often. Catch you in the next video.